We're about to go on our walk. I'm wearing all black. And Osito's here. He has his little outfit. Osito has this like shock absorbent, or like when he pulls, it doesn't hurt my arm. You guys wanna see? Like this one has 2 hooks. I'm assuming one goes on him and the other one goes on like the gentle leash. Ding. You ready to go? Osito, who are you spying on? Who's out there? You know, I used to think that my cats were the chismosas, but it's Osito. He is a chismoso. Hey! Get me this. Can I see your eyes? Can I see your ojitos? I'm gonna go do my nails outside. It's so nice outside. It's like 60 degrees, and then Osito wants to be in the yard today, so let's go. It's supposed to rain, so let's see. Go outside. Come on. Let's see if it's gonna. It's a little chilly. I'm always cold. Bájate. Okay, the wind is cold. So I'm putting my. Ooh. 64 degrees. It does not feel like 64 degrees. I'm gonna do my nails using the LA colors. This is like this cream color, just so the house doesn't smell like nail polish. And you guys, I have my iPad here. I was watching the episodes of Farmer Wants a Wife. I think I'm all caught up to all the episodes. But I never knew this show existed, actually. Like, I never knew there was a show that Farmer Wants a Wife. But it's season 3. So I should probably watch season 1 and 2 also. But I know one of those guys is gonna get that girl Samantha for sure. He's gonna pick her. What show are you guys watching and what do you recommend? Oh, and we just been watched oh my god, I'm blanking out. It's like the zombie show, The Last of Us. There you go. So the new episode, season 2, comes out Monday, I believe. So can't wait to watch that. We literally watched it from the beginning and then we finished it already like in 2 days. So I did my nails so freaking fast, like, and this nail polish, like girls, I think it was like $1 at Walmart, and it sucks. Like, it's so thick and gooey, and it doesn't spread very nice. No wonder it's $1. If you guys don't like cooking, I would suggest getting a small TV in your kitchen. It literally makes you want to be in the kitchen all the time.
He would be super proud of.
Today's dinner is this easy marinara pasta with some mild Italian sausage. It's so good and it's so fast, and dinner is done. We just came back from Aldi. Let's do a grocery haul. We got bananas. We got those huevitos. We got lemons, some vanilla extract, and cinnamon. Strawberries. We got some ready to eat avocados. Fries are so good, guys. Sweets, they got Kit Kat, and I got Hershey's. Orange juice. Some beef and carne asada. some chicken, cheese, 2 cans of beans. What movie did you put?
Deja vu.
Deja vu. Mine or yours? Yours? Will Smith. We are making cookies. We should have put more chocolate chip. Look at one. You gotta do that. Oh, they're hot. Let me rip it. I worked so hard. Perfect. What do you think?
I like them.
These are the best cookies we made though.
Mm-hmm.
These are delicious. 9 o'clock at night. I'm done. See you guys in my next video.